Hi, I'm Scott from Green Scott. I developed and designed a lawnmower aeration wheel specifically for myself, and then figured because it worked out so well that I would bring it to market. What we're doing today is we're upscaling the lawnmower aeration wheel. A lot of people have been ordering these for their lawnmowers for residential use, and I decided, hey, why not just upscale it, get a lot more attention to my company, the product, and hopefully I don't break the ride. Test was a little bit shaky, but when we got up to speed, I couldn't really look at the speedometer, but it was digging in pretty deep. You can see here how deep the cores are, and with the lawnmower aeration product, it also too, with speed, increases the depth and the penetration of the aeration tines. Check out my website, greenscott.ca, and subscribe on YouTube. I appreciate your time. Thank you.